Viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question is, a pendulum is suspended in a container is subjected to an acceleration a0 along a horizontal plane. The angle theta subtended by the string with vertical at equilibrium is. So student, this is a pendulum which is hanging in a vehicle, and vehicle is moving with acceleration a0 in a right direction. So the string make angle theta with its normal position, okay, and latest tension is T, tension is string. So when it make an angle theta, here its weight work in downward direction, and here when it make a angle theta, we divide this tension in two part. Here is t cos theta and here it is t sin theta. Since the vehicle is moving in rightward direction with acceleration a naught, so a force m a naught, which is pseudo force, act on this bob or pendulum. So from here t sin theta equal to m a naught and t cos theta equal to mg. So dividing this is our first and this is our second. T sin theta upon t cos theta, that is m a naught upon mg. So mm cancel a naught upon g, and tt cancel here, sin theta upon cos theta, that is tan theta. Tan theta equal to a naught upon g, or theta equal to tan inverse a naught upon g is the angle of the pendulum which make it with vertical. So correct answer is B is the correct answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.